cannot do a PhD in any university in India, right?
Right.
And by which you will get documentation. So what I wanted is the early childcare education, when people are working, their experience of teaching in every local area of India needs to be documented, so that will become part of an informal education which India implemented for some time. That will come into record. Now today no teachers are recording. So what happens is, your experience is blah blah blah, but nobody records it. India cannot have a single policy of education because India is a vast country. What happens in Kashmir cannot happen in Kerala. So I'm converting those parents who are interested to start their own. So converting somebody into entrepreneurship. So I go to small schools. We are still teaching Tingle Tingle Little Star. You can see Tingle Tingle Little Star Bangla. Last time I went to Rampur Hut, I asked them to translate into Bangla. So they translated. It took only 5 to 10 minutes for them to sit and translate. Then they taught to them. They enjoyed. So we cannot change the system, but we can slightly modify and record these informations and say that no, we have to make it local. We have to make it in local language, and then put a different language system. How do you improve arithmetic? How do you improve the social skill? How do you improve the language skill? All this happens up to age 3 to grade 3. I'm sure they will become brilliant children. You need little bit of courage. You need little bit of business mind so that you can run the program. So this is what I am propagating. So in which this also become part of it. That's why when Ranjini said, I said already I have a book written on this. Okay. And this is a book which I wrote with somebody from Baku. She is an educational psychologist there. All of us can write books. I am not even, I have to read the co-author's name because I don't even remember. We only had few discussions. We had a conference in which it was supposed to release there, for which I am supposed to attend. I did not go. Understood. So they released it. And this is as per the syllabus given by Ranjini, but I made it into 2 parts, not a single part. I said adolescence is little different, slightly different. So children are also can read. And these are all like point wise. You can open any page and then you get something like one title. So there are 60 titles in this. These are for anybody who can read, who has got some interest, right? So we need to look at a little bit of interest and then see that books are given to people. They read that. So assume that you are conducting a workshop in which it has to be given to people. They read, not a single, probably as a group, and then see what is the content that they discuss. So that is how they learn, and we see that they have some interest in this. That is what is to be done. Otherwise, BA psychology is available, MA psychology is available. Everybody is doing it. What is the great thing we are doing as an open university where mental care is slightly different, right?
Yes.
Every psychology, every counseling session, MA counseling is also there. MA psychotherapy is there. But we are doing slightly different because we are looking at our experience, talking to people. It's not an academic program. It is a practical program which we are trying to put in academics.
Like IB
Yeah.
group. I understand, sir.
Understood. So it has to be seen slightly different, whether these people notice somebody's problems, whether they have that inclination towards understanding somebody's problem. Otherwise, you will become sirf academic. Sirf academic hai to koi bhi accept nahi karega. You are not going to solve problems. Ultimately, our aim is we have to solve problems of people, right?
Yes.
We are not like another university where we give some certificate program, diploma. वो नहीं है. Practical skill development करना चाहिए तो थोड़ा देखना, वो तरफ से देखना पड़ेगा.
Understand, sir. Understand.